There you go. Looks like Luke's been busy. That's the engine. Yeah, the shells look knackered, look at that, yeah. That's not the engine out of the combine, that's the engine off of, it was off of a combine, that he's trying to do it so that he can put it in that tractor there, so it's going to have a 6-cylinder in it. Yeah, good. He's doing a good job, really, you know. So, see how that's all rough there, look. That's damaged their seal in there. See how they all on my hands, look, it's all come out of here. So we've got to sort that out. That's one of the jobs. We've got to somehow sort out what we're going to do with those concave bars. He's took the fan housing out for their combine because it needed a little bit of fabrication, so it's come out. Because obviously over the years it's shook itself to bits. Takes a little bit of doing that, does, because of obviously the way the metal is. Had to get some new canvas for it. There you go. Crunchy. Also got these. Nice little tractor. Got a bit of hay on the seat. Little Velis, is it oh, it's a mobilette. I was going to say Velisette, but no, it's a mobilette. Mobilette moped. Riveted that, hot rivet. Put this edge on, that's where the sieves sit, on the edge of the fan housing, sit on top of here. Yeah, obviously the fan housing's upside down. Got I just picked up some red hot pliers. Yeah, so we've got this as well, look. Taking these off. Undoing these bolts, because they're what hold the concave rod bars down. So we can turn them around. Some new tyres at some point. Clean those edges so that they sit nice. Cleaned them, look. Just like I say, turn them around, you can see that. You can see where it's been running, how it's rounded off that edge there and that edge there. So when we turn them round, it will go cut the other way, and it'll have a slightly better thrashing edge. See where it's been hit by a rock or something. Yeah, so put all them back in, turn the drum round, put the bearings in, reset it so that we got the right settings on here. Make sure that we know where it sits to. Yeah, so it'll be a hell of a lot better combine next year. I mean, it was pretty good this year, but it'll be we'll have it better now we know what needs doing. And the we might be looking at a Super C, but it's got to be a good one. You know, we're not going to buy anything unless it's the right machine. I don't think we'll want to take on a lot of work again, really. You know, obviously we expect to need to do a little bit of work, but you know, we don't want to be taking on a massive project really again. You know, this one was different because it was an experiment in a sense, and this one's really rare, but I think there's probably a decent Super C out there somewhere with a square back, slightly bigger tank as well, so it'd be, you know, if we can get a good one, it'd be an alright combine, be capable of doing a bit more work. I did see one, well, we were going back 15 years now. I got offered one, but I turned it down. I wish, you know, in hindsight, it was a really good one. I've got photos of it, and it's really nice, really tidy Super C it was. It's a shame I don't know where it is now. I often wonder where it went to, but it's obviously, you know, it could well have been scrapped because decent combines get scrapped all the time. But yeah. So anyway, I've got to going out for a meal, so that's almost it for today. But we're going to start getting on with this one. Coming on well, you know, when you think how far we'd got, we had this in May, this turned up here. We'd already done a bit to it, but all the work we did to it was between May and sort of June, July. So within those 3 months, we achieved a lot. So now we've got a good few months to get this nice. So ought to be a really nice one next harvest. So it stands to be, yeah, it stands to do well. Yeah. Catch up with you and see you probably next weekend. Right, bye.